What made me say yes to the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind is I know and love and adore Diane Diamond, and I really trust her. I know that she has so much, like a plethora of wisdom in business to share and is really passionate about that. And so that's why it was a yes. I knew that I had a lot I could learn from her and felt really trusting of her. Something that kind of felt like it almost prevented me from getting started in the mastermind was honestly time. I tend to overcommit and be a part of a lot of business groups and business coaches because I always think I need more and more help. And thinking about that, I was realizing like, I don't know if I have the time. I don't want to just join another thing. But when I looked at my calendar and really looked at the commitment, and I knew the value of the program, and so it just felt like it was definitely something that I should be a part of. I have been a part of a lot of different business groups, specifically for females, for women. And what was really different about this group and surprised me was the cleanness. And what I mean by cleanness isn't like hygiene, but in a, not to go too woo-woo or metaphysical, but in an energy way, the clean energy, meaning it never felt like we were competitive or jealous or somebody had trying to put their needs or project on you. It really felt like a clean, clear container where everybody genuinely wanted to see each other grow and succeed and support each other. Something I'm doing differently after the mastermind is having a tangible plan in place in regards to marketing and offerings. And I have made a lot of marketing plans in the past and never been able to keep up with them because it's overwhelming and it's not sustainable. And what I have found through the mastermind is I'm implementing little bits and pieces as I go. So I'm not putting so much on my calendar all at once. And so for really the first time, I'm really staying diligent and persistent and consistent with the plan I have in place. The concept of pleasure has for a while now been supportive of my business goals. It's something that before being in this mastermind was a part of my practice. And it's actually a reason why I really wanted to be a part of this group and mastermind, being that that was one of the main pillars. And so it was great that that was a common theme that was woven throughout our time together in the group. I would recommend Femme Meets Fortune to, any female colleague who is really looking for a high level of support from other women on a similar path, as well as a really clear guiding coach who really has your best interests at heart and has a vast experience in business and has been really successful, and so knows what to watch out for, what to look out for, and how to really build a business from a sustainable foundation and a foundation that is going to support your life goals. So it's not just about generating income or generating more business, really more about like, what do you want your life to look like? And Diane Diamond is continually reminding us of when we're creating goals, when we're creating a marketing plan, of what is it that our longer term vision is that we desire for our life. And so she really gives you the building blocks to create that. So I'd recommend it to anyone who is ready to really put in the time and energy to create what they want in a supportive container. Emily Wishall, Boulder, Colorado.